અરે કેટલી વાર મેર ઘંટી મારી મારીને થાકીને થૂસ થઈ ગઈ. બિચારા બેસતી મિનોચેર. So popular he was, just like my Soli. યાદ છે, on Soli's dust book so many visitors I had to borrow chairs from those dreadful daruwalas. But in your case, no. You are very lucky. I'm always there to help.
થેન્ક્સ ના જમાઈ, પર કોઈ નહીં આવશે. આપણે મુંબઈ સમાચારમાં આપી દીધું જ. નો કંડોલન્સ વિઝિટ.
તેથી શું, તો બી બધા ધસી આવશે. Besides, yesterday was Dasbuno. How quickly time has passed. And today is Sunday. એટલે છુટ્ટીનો દિવસ. અરે વાહ, અહીં તો બેસતી મિનોચરની લગનની પગરી. કેવી હમણાં બી નવી મજાની ચલકતી લાગે છે.
હા, મને આપો જરા.
અરે દીકરા, but why you are putting it here? Go and put it under lock and key. You know how much these things are costing? આપણા પીટીટ લાઇબ્રેરીના કાવસજી બત્તીવાલાના દીકરાના લગન છે. And they are looking for a પગરી. પણ આજકાલ પગરી બનાવે જ કોણ? ચાલ મને બહુ લેટ થાય છે. ચાલ બાય. અરે મારે રે. અરે દીકરા, why is that diva burning in the bedroom?
હા, હું તો ભૂલી ગઈ. I'll let it go.
But it is very wrong, you know. દિનસાજી દસ્તુરે તને કંઈ શીખવ્યું નહીં? જો દીકરા, what happens for 4 days when the prayers are going on, no? The poor soul keeps visiting here. So the diva is there to welcome it. But once the 4-day prayers are over, then the soul has to quickly go over there. But if the diva is still burning in the bedroom, પછી બિચારા મિનોચરનું સોલ અહીંયા જાઉં કે ત્યાં જાઉં કે અહીંયા જાઉંના વિચારમાં કેટલું કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય છે ને. ચાલો હું જાઉં. હા, પેલા હું આ દિનસાજી દસ્તુરની તો એવી ખબર લેવું જ મારે. મોર દસ્તુરનો થતો.
Good. Rosie, give it to me. Mr. Mirza, this is too much.
मैडम देखिए ना, एवरीडे का सेम स्टोरी है.
Of course, every day ka same story. How rough you are with this towel. Feels like bloody sandpaper on his bed sores. You'll have to be gentle, you know.
No, madam, but
तुम लोग पेशेंट को बर्तन के माफिक साफ करता है.
Going home.
So?
I'm taking you home.
Pillage ke lo na. Now try finding a cab at this time.
Mr. Battiwala, please. This is about a pagri. Revade. Mozart will jump in his grave.
Mozart ne Verdi. अरे सुकरिच डार्लिंग.
Sukaraj means May does not come.
But why are you doing it, मेरू? लाव મને કરવા દેની.
અરે રહેવા દે. એકદમ ફિક્કો ફચાક થઈ ગયો છે, લાવ કરે છે. મીનુ, I શું છે મીનુ? This is what you do to your medicine and your food?
Janu, I'm fed up of this ghaspus. I can't have it anymore.
You want sali boti? Shall I make you some of that? Or how about some sasni machi? Huh? Your liver's become like BSC bus no engine and you're calling this ghaspus? No wonder you're not getting any better. Don't smile, it's not funny. I'm not going to take any responsibility for you anymore if this is how you're going to behave. Sickness or no sickness, you get that straight. Meenu! I soon share, Meenu. This is what you do to your medicine and your food.
Janu, I'm fed up of this ghaspus. I can't have it anymore.
You want sali boti? Give it to me. Shall I make you some
No.
of that? Or how about
I'll
some
kill you, I
sasni
swear.
machi? Huh? Your liver's become like BSC bus no engine and you're calling this ghaspus?
Arey,
Here.
see, I didn't ask for it, okay?
I know you didn't ask for it. You did everything else except ask for it.
I know I can't have it, Janu. But this comes the closest to making me feel that I can.
No one will believe.
No one will believe what?
What a pain you are, that's what. Everyone will come and say, poor Meenu. How kind he was. What a good husband he was. Good husband, my foot. મને જ ખબર છે કેટલું ભેજાનું દહીં કીધું જ તું એ.
मैं तारा बेजनु दई अरे जा रे जा
તો શું?
तो सु
After you die also, no peace. હજારો લોકો આવશે. What happened? What did the reports say? કા દુખ્યું? કેટલું દુખ્યું? Second opinion લીધો જ કે? You know what I'll tell them? ઉપર જઈને ask him only.
Hello. You have reached Minocha Mirza. To know how I died, press 1. To know the exact time and location, press 2. To know more about my BEST Busnu engine Jevo liver, press 3. For all other queries, please press 4 and wait for operator assistance. But under no circumstances are you to come and trouble my Meru with your idiotic questions. She doesn't want your sympathy anyway. So actually, don't press any button at all. Just leave us alone.
Give it to me. I'll play this at your funeral, huh?
Play it now, as if I care. In all probability, I should be dead by then.
Man, Mari man. Very sad about Apro Meenu. Ne please mane maaf karje. I'm sorry I couldn't come for the uthamna that day. Gustad's gout was so painful. Utane sung kehun?
Kahin nahi. Come.
Man, before you feel that I'm such a stupid woman for bringing my little son along at a time like this, I just wanted to tell you that there was really nobody at home that I could leave him with. And sachu kehu to, we really don't leave him alone, you know. It's so dangerous nowadays. You read about that article in Mumbai Mirror? Ek Mo Ida walo, he broke into a flat and he strangled a child and he stole everything. Ako gher saf kari nakhyo ene. Khodaye parwardigar bachave apune. So, what exactly happened?
Liver खराब થઈ ગયેલું.
Acha, I see. The reports? You showed it to any other doctor? So, but then whom did you consult?
ખરું કેવું તો it was a lost cause, Roshan.
શું વાત કરે છે મેર? Nowadays, so these doctors, they can do anything. You read that report in Mumbai Mirror? Huh? These doctors in China, they made a new part for a man. There was this fellow in China and his girlfriend ran away with another man because he was ekdam much pillow no can do. So in frustration, he chopped it off. Akho em kori nakyu. And then he flushed it down the toilet. And then later he regretted it or what, God knows.
Ma'am?
He landed up at the
Why is the door not closed? Here, some chilled bottles of raspberry if you want, huh? મેં તને કહ્યું ને કે બધા ટપકી આવશે. I'm Najamai. Evan gone?
Roshan, મારી cousin.
Pleased to meet you, huh?
ચાય પીશો કે? Roshan.
I was just telling Mayor that these doctors, they made a new part for a man.
તેમાં શું વર્ગ માર્યો? Today they are putting all these artificial arms, legs and those little things in the heart, no? That makes the blood pump faster.
नहीं તમે समझिया नहीं. I meant a new part for a man. A new part. જે ઊંઘું બધું બરાબર કરી શકે. In China.
Chinese? અરે બેફુ, તો હું ગેરંટી કરી આપું છું કે 6 મહિનામાં ફૂસ. Don't worry, Mayor. I'll get it.
વારું, thank you.
Mrs. Mirza?
હા, આવો જી. આવો. Come, have a seat. બેસો જી. બહુ ખોટું થયું નહીં?
Suji? Actually, we won't take long. We've just come here for the pagri.
પગરી?
Oh, sorry, I'm Danish. Mr. Battiwala's son. Someone had called in the afternoon to come and have a look at it.
મેયર બી શું? જો દીકરા, I'm very happy you are getting married in the correct Parsi way, you know, Dagli, Pagri and everything. Because today, no, Parsi boys are getting married in suit and tie. જાનો જ કેમ? Last time I went to a wedding, the groom was in a shiny black suit, white lacy shirt and bow tie. Bilkul like those Goan Dhobitala weddings of the Catholics. But Minoche's Dasmu is just over and you want to take away his pagri. No, not right at all.
Actually, that's true. Why don't you come back after the Masi so? That'll be much better.
No, it's okay. We're getting married in a week. We will look somewhere else.
No, don't. I want you to have it.
See, Mayor, this is very, very wrong, huh?
Please try it.
ગમે તે કરો. પારસી કોમની તો પડતી આવેલી જ છે.
Mayor, I also better get going. Actually, Gustad will be getting married, no? Pasi, chalo!
I'll convince my fiancé. How much would you like, Miss Mirza?
No, it's okay.
Oh, then I'll return it after the wedding.
No, you can keep it. One day you'll have a son. And then maybe he'll need it. And then I'll have to fight with Najamai all over again.
Thank you. May I invite you to our wedding?
Of course. I would love to come for it.